All this railing is gonna get wiped down. Floor's gonna get mopped. And here we have wooden floors, which is well kept. A bedroom here. Windows just need cleaning. They did take the plastic off this, so it should be fine. Doors gonna get wiped down. In here, it's walking in the dark, huh? All right, cool. So, come in here. Oops, sorry. Oh, should I known? It will not be there. Okay, so it's a bathroom here. In here, it's also going to get a good TLC and sanitizing. The sink is pretty good. That's fine. The towels, it's pretty okay. Just need a good thorough cleaning. When I say okay, I mean that it doesn't have a lot of, stains and stuff on it, right? The only thing that I see right now is this paint stain, but that's pretty not a, it's not a lot. Now let me show you. If there was a lot of this on everything, then I would say, okay, that is bad, right? This is still bad, but not to that extent. Now the glass, we're going to try and clean both sides, but because of the design, we'll see if we could be able to get to it, right? In here it's pretty good. Towels are fine. Just need a good thorough cleaning and sanitizing. Also, the top floors, they really did not do a good, job of caulking the floors, but, putting the ceiling on it so it doesn't go down. All right, cool. So this is going to get a good cleaning. As you can see, this is what I say. They took the plastic off. So all the plastic right on the glass has been taken off. So you don't have to worry about, this is what it's supposed to be, right? This is what it's supposed to be. Now, in here, wooden floor looks pretty good. Well kept, very protected. So that's a good thing. Same thing. So one thing that we might have to do also, see this little tapes right here? See if we could clean this. So see this little thing right here? See if we could clean that. All this little stuff. Clean all the stuff off. Then, so this is done. That's this room. So we come here, turn this bathroom light off, and then turn this one off. So come here. Okay. Bathroom. This bathroom here also doesn't have a lot of residue on top of it. Just needs a good thorough cleaning. The bathtub just has tapes. It has no plastic on it. Just some good cleaning. Same thing over here. Some good cleaning and sanitizing should be fine. Yeah. Floors really. This is really just something that should come off really easy. So the floor is fine in this bathroom, right? Floor is fine in this bathroom. So this is the state that we see in it. Now we come here. It's a closet here. Floor is fine. The doors are gonna get clean. You see all the stuff is gonna get cleaned out. Over there, all this stuff is gonna get cleaned out. In here, the doors, the windows get cleaned out. The floors is fine. The doors, door handles. And then also we're gonna wipe this down, make it look good. So now we have an example of what I'm saying. So you see this? This is the plastic. So give you an idea, that's the car right there. So that is the floor, and this is the high floor, right? This is the high floor. So if we're going to remove the plastic on this, it's going to be hard because the window does not open both ways. This is what I'm talking about. So this plastic might be removed or it might not be removed. I will let you know at the end. But this is one of the things, this is a perfect example. They remove the plastic. See, this plastic is on it. Let me show you. See in here, same thing. The plastic is on it, right? They did not remove the plastic on these one here. The floor is fine. So I'll show you this plastic, right? Okay, now let me show you how it should look. So when you come here, when we come into this room, you can see the plastic is removed. Now you can see the difference, right? That's the plastic on the outside has been taken out, and now we can clean it and try to clean both sides. But with the conditions and the plastic hasn't been taken out, right? When the plastic hasn't been taken out and it looks like this, and we are on the very high floor, it sometimes becomes difficult removing the plastic on it. So just keep that in mind, all right? This is one thing that you should always keep that in mind when you are doing renovation or when you are cleaning. So that is it. We have the top floor, we did the basement, we did the main floor, and we're done.